Oh, hello there. Welcome to my baking video. This is not a tutorial. I do not recommend you follow this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry if there is some ambient noise. My door is on and off open because it's really warm in here. Baking video. First off, what you're gonna do is make sure your hair is away so you don't ruin the food. The second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to my channel, find the video where I did this hair, go back in time and tell me whether or not it's a good idea, because I still can't tell. My cat, now that I closed the door, wants to come inside. Yeah, okay, one sec. Okay, now he's back. Where was I? Oh yeah, make sure your hair doesn't get in your food. Next up, you're gonna find some paper, because I don't know where all my... Put some water on it, put some soap on it, and just make sure there are no more cat hairs on your counter, because there are all over my house, including the counter. And then go on your phone and find the recipe. Have I even told you what I'm making? I've been craving, I'm gonna come closer for this. Okay, so I have been craving red velvet cake for quite some time now. Number one, they don't have vegan anything here. Number two, they don't know what red velvet is here. Number three, I wanted it gluten-free as well, just to make it even harder. But today I'm not gonna make it gluten-free. The point is that I wanted this cake and I can't get it here. And so I figured I'm gonna try to make it. But I'm gonna make cupcakes because I'm on a diet and I wanna be able to control the calories that I consume. I just cleaned the counter. I don't know if you saw that, but my cat just walked on up and now he's eating out of a pan. So this is great. I'm gonna go find my phone and find the recipe, cause yeah, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Hey baby, what are you doing on the counter? I thought I said you couldn't be on the counter. Also, don't serve food to other people if your cat's on the counter. I'm gonna tell my parents that he's been here and ask if they still want some cupcakes, and if they don't, I'm not gonna be offended. Okay, let me go get the recipe. I also forgot to mention, of course you need to wash your hands, but I already did, okay? Even though I touched my cat. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat these cupcakes myself. Mom, I'm sorry. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Grease two 9-inch baking pans with cooking spray or line with parchment paper. The thing is that all of this is in like American measurements, so it's Fahrenheit and cups and stuff. I'm not really there. I use Celsius, so the conversion from 350 to Celsius, is that about 200 or am I wrong? I'm probably wrong. 350. Oh, it's more like 180. Okay, I was close-ish. Preheat the oven to 180. Gonna do that right now. On 180, what's next? Line with parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna do that later, the parchment paper and stuff. In a small bowl, whisk together the almond milk, the apple cider vinegar, and set aside for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the oven because I have a feeling this is gonna take a bit longer than I thought. I'll be back when I found the ingredients. Are you guys still there? Okay, good. Also, don't have nails like this when you're cooking. It's probably not the best idea. So, I found some stuff. It's sent to use almond milk. Mine has been opened for like a couple months, and I think that might be too long. So, this is... Okay, so it was definitely too long with 2 months. If you can see here, it says 3 to 4 days after opening. The new one. Here is some apple cider vinegar, and it said to use a small bowl. I have this bowl, and I have this bowl, and I have no medium bowls. So if they're gonna require medium bowls later, I'm screwed. But I'm thinking this is a small bowl. Now let's see how much I'm supposed to put in. I wish people would write recipes where what you're supposed to do and the measurements is next to each other, not a list of all the things you need and how much of it you need, and then the recipe, because you'll see why I want that, because I'm just following the recipe, scrolling up to see how much. It's kind of annoying. How much? 1 teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, right? Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Can you see? Nobody's following this as a tutorial anyway. I don't know why I need to show you. Ooh, perfectly lined up. Apple cider vinegar done. Now, what else? Almond milk, 1 cup. This is a cup. I don't know why I'm standing over here. Should probably just move you. Ooh! Did you fall? You okay? Can you still see what I'm doing? I don't know. I don't think this is any better. Why do I always do this? Okay. Back over there. Don't mind the mess in the background. And then let me just hang out over here. Why is this counter so long? Like, you're so far away and I need to bend down anyway. Well, I guess I'm just gonna keep doing this the whole video. What did I do? Apple cider vinegar, shook this up, open it, and 1 cup of almond milk. Woohoo! I wish I knew how to bake without doing it this way. Okay. Oh yeah, and whisk it together. I don't feel like I really need to whisk that, because if I do with this thing, it's gonna go everywhere. So I'm just gonna spin it around with the fork while I figure out what's next. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. I see. What is next? Did I put everything in? Doesn't it say cocoa powder somewhere? Okay, once it was curled. What does curled mean? Once the milk has curled. Hey, baby. Whisk in coconut oil, vanilla extract, and red food coloring. Baby, no, 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 no. No, baby. I'm trying to make food. Or I'm trying to bake. Does it smell good? Is that what you're trying to jump up? How much of each of them? Baby, you can't be... Seems like a... I'm just gonna try and do a little bit less. I think, oh, baby, how am I gonna keep cooking or baking if you keep jumping up here? It's not for you, you can't eat this. These colors, and I kind of want to go crazy with it, so maybe I'll make like different colors. We'll see. Baby, get down. How many times do I have to put you down, sweetie? No, 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 no. Okay, I'm definitely not feeding this to anyone. Baby, stop eating it. Okay, I think I can salvage it if I just remove the spot that he touched. Baby, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Stay away. Baby. Ugh. Okay. Now there's cat hairs here. Oh, what even is this? Welcome to my kitchen. There are cats. Oh yeah, I was trying to open this. Do I have to? No, it's not for you, baby. It's not food. It's vanilla extract. Why do you want vanilla extract? You don't want... Baby, no. Okay. This is gonna be really hard, so I'll be back. Okay. The cat left me alone for a second. I put the food coloring in, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of pink, not red. And I think I might need to put in more, but I kind of want to wait just to see what it looks like. I don't know how red it's supposed to be. I've never even had a red velvet cake before. Anyways, no, baby, stay. What was next? I also put vanilla extract in. And I'm still wondering if I should put the cocoa powder in, but it hasn't said so. Okay, so the things that I'm missing, according to the recipe, is some of this. Oh shit, should not have put the pink in. I have to put 1/4 of a cup. This is 1/3. This is 1/2. And this is 1/4. How do you do this without messing it up? Okay, that's 1/2, so it's another spoon, basically. A little bit more. Okay. Now we're done with all the measuring according to the recipe. Okay, so I was trying to do this like the nice way that Julie and Solomita does with like a tripod and everything. It doesn't work for me, so now I'm holding the camera. I hope the moving it around isn't too annoying, but that's how we're gonna do it. And so this is gonna be the before, and then ta-da. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna try and mix it some more and mix in some more food coloring. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, whilst I was trying. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? It's just milk. It's fine. It's not. It's vegan milk. I think it's okay. But what are you doing? Over there's this bowl. There's food in it. Okay. This. He doesn't care. Okay. Let me finish this up. Maybe I forgot to film. Anyways, this reminds me that I need to make coffee, but I'm gonna do this first. So. Okay. So yes, this is a bit messy, but they're in there and it's time to put them in here. Okay, now they're going in. I forgot to check how long and also what like place in the oven they should be on. So I'm gonna check that, make some coffee, and then I'll be back to do the frosting. Oh, hello again. Are you bored yet? Because this is taking a while. Maybe not for you. Hopefully I edited it so it's not that boring for you. But the next or hopefully last step is to make the frosting. And honestly, I've only made frosting once and I used up almost all of this, like the powdered sugar. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's try. I also don't know how much, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah. Okay. Vegan cream cheese. Softened vegan cream cheese, but I don't even know what that means. And then we're just gonna dump in some of this. I think all of this, because I don't even think this is enough. I don't even know if it said milk, but it definitely said butter. Okay then. Almost used up all the butter, used all of the cream cheese, and used the rest of the powder thing. Now, let's bring you over here so we can mix it. I wish I could like tilt you up a bit, but you good? Is it okay? Thank you. Every single time there's something he can eat, he will eat it. No vegetables though, nothing healthy, just the unhealthy stuff. I mean, it is vegan, so it's not too bad, I think, but... baby! And here are the cupcakes. Let's try and make the ugliest one first and see if we can make it pretty. Oh, the light over here is not too good. But we can't do it here because of him. Because of you. So, let's see what we can do. We're gonna try and do it here, even though I'm scared my cat's gonna come and try and eat it. But, getting close. And uncovering this. And then I'm gonna uncover another one. Ooh. Yeah, very different in size, but you know, we're just gonna try and make it work. Now let's do some of this. Put that up there. How does that look? Huh? Pretty good, right? Now maybe I should try... Oh, I'm gonna put you down for this. And do a cross section. Ooh, look at that. And then I'm gonna try and eat it. Oh no, is there no? Oh my God. I'm 100% posting this recipe down below. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. I post new videos every Thursday/Friday. Come back then to see what's up for next week. Okay. Bye.